निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बुद्धेः लक्षणं किम्? सर्वव्यवहार असाधारण हेतुत्वे सति गुणत्वम् बुद्धेः लक्षणम्। सर्वव्यवहार असाधारण हेतु। असाधारण पदम कस्मात् देयम्? कालादौ अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय। सर्वव्यवहार पदम कस्मात् देयम्? दंडादाव अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय। बुद्धि एव ज्ञानम। ओके, नाउ फर्दर। संस्कार मात्र जन्यम ज्ञानम स्मृति ही, वी सॉ दैट लास्ट टाइम। संस्कार मात्र जन्यत्वे सति। सो नाउ दिस टॉपिक इज संस्कार मात्र जन्यम ज्ञानम स्मृति ही। बुद्धि मीन्स ज्ञानम. In Jnanam, there is Smriti and there is Anubhava. Smriti and Anubhava, these two are under Jnanam. So you have to think in this way. Sanskar Janyam is Smriti, but also Pratyabhijna. Last time we said. So, what is the Pratyabhijna? Tatte danta avagahi jnanam. Tatta idanta. When they are joined, it is tatte danta. Avagahi jnanam. Avagahanam means that which goes at the bottom of it and finds out. This is called avagahanam. So, tat in Soyam Devadatta, what is idam padavachyam? Ayam. And tat padavachya is saha. So tatta and idanta both are there. Tatta is so, idanta is ayam. Soyam Devadatta. So that Pratyabhijna is this Jnanam, which says that Devadatta is this Devadatta. Let us see Padakrityam. Sanskar dhvanse ativyapti varanaye jnanam iti. Samskara. When samskara is there, according to Nyaya Darshan, okay, ghata is there. Let us say I break this ghata. Okay, what will happen? Ghata dhvansa. Ghata dhvansa will happen. When Ghata Dhvansa takes place, what is Ghata Dhvansa Karanam? Or what are Ghata Dhvansa Karana? Ghata Dhvansa Karana? Let us say Danda. I am breaking it with Danda. So what is Ghata Dhvansa Karanam?
Danda.
and Ghata. If Ghata is not there, Dhvansa will not happen. No, in this Lakshana, that is what we need. What they say, Sanskara is there. Okay, one samskara is there. When the next samskara comes, it destroys previous samskara and it becomes new samskara. Means, let us say there is only room for one sanskara. Okay, one slot is there, as something is already existing. Now a new samskara comes. So what will happen? This cannot say I will go and sit on top of this. So what this will say? You go, now I am there, new. Like in your computer, let us say one file is there, then you edit. Then what happens? How many files it keeps? How? It will update previous file with the new, and it will say last modified today. Then after 1 hour again you write something. Then it old one is gone. Now only new one is there. Means at a time only one file is there. So they say sanskara is exactly like your computer memory. It will keep only latest version. All previous one is out. So previous one's dhvansa is possible because it is there. Sanskara dhvansa karanam is sanskara. So now you see, sanskara dhvanse ativyapti varanaya jnanam. If you say only sanskar matra janyam smritihi, sanskar matra janyam smriti. So what will happen? Sanskar matra janya is sanskar also. One sanskar can create another sanskara. How? Let us say something is not there around you, okay? But you mentally some sanskar is there. Some laddu is there. Laddu you had eaten last time. Now you are just thinking. So from that is how smriti comes. Whatever is there in samskara, it comes. Then you think about it. Oh, we should put this in that in this way. Now new sanskara has come based on that purva samskara, because you recollected it, and now it has become fresh. So sanskar matra janyam is sanskar also, or sanskar dhvansa, because when dhvansa happens, next one came. See, the next one is there, previous one goes, and this one will come. So sanskar is sanskar dhvansa janya, that is what is given here. Sanskar dhvanse ativyapti varanaya jnanam. So sanskar matra janya is sanskar dhvansa also. If you say sanskar matra janyam smritihi, so sanskar dhvansa is also sanskar janya, because when sanskar has come, tad janya is purva sanskar dhvansa. Purva sanskar is destroyed. Sanskar matra janyam is samskara dhvans also. Therefore, sanskara dhvanse ativyapti varanaya jnanam. So now it is given sanskara matra janyam jnanam. Means sanskara matra janyatve sati jnanatvam smritehe lakshanam. 1. Then anubhave ativyapti varanaya sanskara janyam. If it is given jnanam smritihi, then what will happen?
Ativyapti will be there.
Anubhava is also Jnanam. Smriti is Jnanam, Anubhava is also Jnanam. So Jnanam Smriti means Anubhava also will be included. Anubhava means, he will talk about, but what is Anubhava? This Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Pramanena यो व्यापारो भवति सह अनुभवः. प्रमाण सहित व्यापार, दैट इज अनुभव. अनुभवे अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय संस्कारजन्यम. तथापि प्रत्यभिज्ञायाम अतिव्याप्ति वारणाय संस्कार मात्र जन्यत्वम विवक्षणीयम. सो इफ इट इज सेड ओनली संस्कार जन्यम ज्ञानम स्मृति, विल देयर बी अतिव्याप्ति इन अनुभव? नो, बट देयर विल बी अतिव्याप्ति इन प्रत्यभिज्ञा. सो नाउ इट इज गिवन संस्कार मात्र जन्यम ज्ञानम स्मृति. So if you say Jnanam is Smriti, Anubhava. Okay? Jnanam is called Smriti, Anubhava. Pratyabhijna is what? Smriti or Anubhava?
It is Smriti and Pratyabhijna.
No, you don't give Vedantic answer. According to Nyaya, you have to think. See, in Nyaya, Jnanam is only two types. Either it is Smriti or it is Anubhava. Okay? Smriti, what is the definition? You think. Smriti, what is the definition? Sanskara matra janyam jnanam smriti. Okay? Sanskar matra janya is Smriti. So, in Pratyabhijna, the Lakshana should not go. That's why we gave the Matra Padam. Right? So that Pratyabhijna is not included in Smriti. There are only two types of Jnanam, Smriti and Anubhava. Pratyabhijna should not go in Smriti. So now what is Pratyabhijna? This was my question. According to Nyaya, Pratyabhijna is Anubhava. So you see, when they give Lakshana and all, you have where Ativyapti Varanaya, if it is already said, means they don't want Pratyabhijna to go in Smriti. So where will it go? The other one only. And if we will make Lakshana of Anubhava such that there also Pratyabhijna does not go, then it will not go anywhere. It will not be called Jnanam then. Okay? Kvachit tathaiva patha. Kvachit tathaiva patha means that Matrapada is already given in the Lakshana. Sanskar Matra Janyam Jnanam. Athva the Patha may be Sanskar Janyam Jnanam Smriti, but then you have to understand it is Matram. But here sometimes Patha is Sanskar Matra Janyam Jnanam Smriti. This way. Tatha eva Patha. Nacha evam sati asambhavaha. तस्य संस्कार जन्यत्वे सति इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष अजन्यार्थकत्वात्. असंभव, असंभव is लक्षण first.
लक्ष्यैकमात्र
एकमात्र
लक्ष्यैकमात्र अवृत्तित्वम्
लक्ष्य मात्र अवृत्तित्व असंभव. सो न च एवं सति असंभवः means if this lakshana is done, sanskar matra janyam jnanam smriti, somebody says nothing will go in smriti. Lakshana will be asambhava because lakshana will not go in smriti. So here Siddhanti says nacha evam sati asambhava. Asambhava is not there. Why? Tasya sanskar janyatve sati. Now you pay attention and tell me what is tasya. Tasya sanskar janyatve sati indriyartha sannikarsha janyarthakatvat. Online students first. Tell me what is tasya. Sanskar janyatve sati indriyartha sannikarsha ajanyarthakatvat. Huh? No, not pratyabhijna.
अनुभवं तस्य ज्ञानस्य तस्य संस्कारज्ञाते सति
Okay, you leave tasya. You read after that. Smriti. Tasya means smriti. Smritehe. Because you read the next one. Sanskara janyatve sati. Smriti sanskara janya? Yes. Indriyartha sannikarsha ajanyarthakatvam. Indriyartha sannikarsha is there in smriti? No. So indriyartha sannikarsha ajanyarthaka. When I am thinking of something, recollecting something, that object is not there in front of me. There is no indriya sannikarsha. Sannikarsha means sambandha. Indriya artha sannikarsha is not there. Okay. So tasya means smriti.
So what do you want me to do?
Na cha evam sati asambhavaha. So now this whole sentence, what does it mean? Lakshana is not asambhava because indriyartha sannikarsha ajanyarthakatvat sanskar matra janyatvat smritehe. Lakshana is correct. Smriti will go in there. Okay, it is not asambhava. So this part is complete. Okay, now what is your question?
Swamiji, in Pratyabhijna, we said the Lakshana will go to Anubhava aspect, but Pratyabhijna, Tatyadanta Avagari Jnanam, means one part of it is Smriti. Then Kesa it goes into Anubhava.
They have classified it as Anubhava. In Vedanta Paribhasha also it is accepted by that Acharya.
But logically, how is it?
About this is how it is. So it is a combination with we know in Vedanta. So Smriti is over. Further, tad bhinnam jnanam anubhavah sadvividah yathartho yatharthascha. Tad bhinnam jnanam anubhavah. Tad bhinnam, what is tad? Smriti. Smriti bhinnam jnanam anubhavah. So what is not Smriti is Anubhava. Saral Lakshana. But if somebody will ask, Anubhava kaha, so what will you say? If you say Tad bhinnam jnanam anubhavaha, So that Lakshana is not complete. Like somebody asked, Prithivyaha Lakshanam Kim? Tatra Gandhavati Prithvi. Because the first sentence, how it starts? Tatra Gandhavati Prithvi. So he has memorized. कंठस्थ तो है, तो पूछा what is पृथ्वी? तत्र गंधवती पृथ्वी. So that tatra you don't have to say. Means you have to use some स्वयं प्रज्ञा also. तद भिन्नम ज्ञानम अनुभव.
संस्कार अजन्य ज्ञानम
संस्कार अजन्यत्वे सति इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष. But you don't give इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष because then what will happen? संस्कारजन्य भिन्नत्वे सति ज्ञानत्वम अनुभव. It is not संस्कारजन्य बस. Because if you say इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष, it will be only valid for प्रत्यक्ष. Anumana, upamana, it will not be called anubhava. See now, you will, as much as pratyaksha is called anubhava, anumana is also called anubhava. So, you are having anubhava of this?
Yes.
When it is said Tattvamasi, Shabda Jnanam is also called Anubhava. Sakshatkar is this. According to clear definition, it is called Anubhava. So, generally what we think, it is not my Anubhava. It is somebody else's Anubhava. If Pratyaksha Jnanam is Anubhava, Anumana Jnanam is also Anubhava. Upamana Jnanam is also Anubhava. Shabda Jnanam is Anubhava only. Everything is called Anubhava. This. Now if you say, no, but it is Pratibadha Anubhava, it is your problem. You worry about it. You work on Pratibandha. You are Brahma. This is true. Now you say, no, but right now I am not Brahma. Okay, you suffer a little bit. What else? Tad bhinnam jnanam anubhava. Sad vividha. Yathartha anubhava. So now you see, jnanam. 2. Smriti. Anubhava. In Anubhava, 2. Yathartha, Ayathartha. Yathartho, Ayatharthascha.
Later, Smriti also.
Right now, whatever is given accordingly. I know you already know Tarka Sangraha. Tika. Smrititva avachinna bhinnam ityarthaha. Smrititva avachinna bhinnam. What is the meaning of this?
The same thing. Tadbhinna jnanam
Smriti se alag.
But they have not said different from Smriti. Smrititva, Smriti will have Smrititva. Tad avachedaka. So Smrititva is called avachedaka. Smrititva is avachedaka. Every Smriti will have Smrititva. Tad avachinna will be, Smrititva avachinna will be Smriti. Smriti has avachedaka Smrititva. Smriti has avachedaka Smrititva. Smrititva avachinna will be Smriti. Okay. Why they have given this? Because let's say I have Smriti 1, Smriti 2. Smriti 2 is different from Smriti is different from Smriti 1. Smriti
Yes.
2 is different from Smriti 1. Smriti 1 is Smriti. So Smriti 2 can say I am different from Smriti. Smriti 2 can say I am different from Smriti 1. Smriti 1 is Smriti. So Smriti 2 can say I am different from Smriti. Okay?
But you said there's only one.
And therefore, what one Smriti? Ghata Smriti, there Pata Smriti, there Pushpa Smriti, there so many Smriti.
One Smriti goes, the other Smriti.
But two Smritis are there. So Smriti 2 will say I am different from Smriti. So then Smriti Bhinnatvam, and it is Jnanam. So Smriti 2 is Smriti Bhinna and Jnanam also. So Lakshana will go in Smriti 2. Whose Lakshana will go in Smriti 2?
Smriti Lakshana. Smriti 2 Lakshana.
Anubhava Lakshana will go in Smriti 2. Smriti 2 is different from Smriti. It is Jnanam. If you define the Lakshana, Tad Bhinnam Jnanam. So Smriti Bhinnam Jnanam. So Smriti 2 is Smriti Bhinna and Jnanam. So Lakshana will go in Anubhava. That's why they gave this. Smrititva Avachinna Bhinnam. Not only Smriti Bhinnam, Smrititva Avachinna. So now this Smriti 2 is not Smrititva Avachinna Bhinnam. Because Smriti 2 has Smrititva as Avachedaka. Clear? Means when they make Lakshana, they will make sure that Lakshana will not go where it should not go. Only then that Lakshana is correct Lakshana. So how much you see they have done good thinking. You should give credit to them. Those people who make these Lakshana. I mean they think. You say, wow, why Smriti Bhinnam तो समझ में नहीं आया. तो कहीं भी अतिव्याप्ति वो बता देते हैं ना. See, buddhi sukshmata will happen through this. This is why they used to study Nyaya. Like, you see, so many people go to Bhagwan's mandir. So many people do puja. Everybody is a bhakta. True bhakta, you can actually see, how that person lives. You see, he is a real bhakta. You can see prema for Bhagwan in their life. Like that, this also, person who thinks clearly, how he thinks, how he speaks, you can say, this person is a logical person. Others are so illogical, you don't even know how to talk to them. You are talking about Ghata, they will talk about Pata. This is how they are. These things you have to learn. That's why when they do Vada also, right? If there is a Nayayika and Vedantin, when they will do Charcha, first they will say how you have studied Nyaya or not. Both each other should know each other's darshan, and they should know this method of doing Shastrartha. Means when this person says pratigna, both people understand pratigna means same thing. Sadhya is same. So those definitions are very clear. Otherwise one person go on talking something, another person, it will not happen. Even when Nayayika will say Atma, according to his understanding, he will make sure he knows what Vedanti's Atma is. And when Vedanti talks about Atma, he knows what his other person is thinking. Similarly, Satta. When they say Jagat is Satyam, and when we say Jagat is Satyam, how there is Bheda? both will understand each other and still do Shastrartha. Then only communication is there. Otherwise, you are talking something, I am talking, where is Shastrartha? So, when you sit there for Shastrartha, means you really know everything. Then only you are communicating. ये तेन यत्किंचित स्मृति भिन्नत्वस्य स्मृतौ सत्वे अपि न क्षतिः. तेन means if we say tad bhinnam means smrititva avachinna bhinnam, then by this what will happen? Yatkinchit smriti bhinnattvasya. See, this is what I was explaining. Smriti 2 is yatkinchit smriti bhinna. Smriti 2 is different from some other smriti. Yatkinchit smriti bhinnattvasya smrutau satve api, even if it is smriti, na kshati, there is no flaw. There is no flaw means anubhava lakshana will not go in smriti 2. When we say smrititva avachinna bhinnatve sati jnanatvam अनुभवस्य लक्षणम. घटादावति व्याप्ति वारणाय ज्ञानम. स्मृतित्व अवच्छिन्न भिन्न इज घट also. So jnanam you have to give. We are talking only about jnanam, not anything else.
So Swamiji, in the definition, should we say tad bhinnam is smriti bhinnam, or should we say smrititva parichinna bhinnam jnanam?
Not parichinna, avachinna. स्मृतित्व अवच्छिन्न भिन्नत्वे सति. Or you just say smriti bhinna is anubhava, but everybody should understand there smriti bhinna means smrititva avachinna bhinna. Because in class every time Acharya will not say smrititva avachinna bhinna, smrititva avachinna bhinna. He will just say smriti bhinna is anubhava. Like Maharajji also will say smriti bhinna anubhava. Wait. There will be ati vyapti in smriti too. So there you have to understand certain things. Ghatadav ati vyapti varana jnanam. Smriti varanaya tad bhinnam iti. So this we already saw. Tad bhinnam is lakshana should not go in smriti. तद्वति तत्प्रकारको अनुभवो यथार्थः यथा रजते इदं रजतमिति ज्ञानम् सैव प्रमेत्युच्यते. तद्वति तत्प्रकार को अनुभवो यथार्थ है. सो नाउ अनुभव इज यथार्थ अयथार्थ. ओके, नाउ इन दैट व्हाट इज यथार्थ अनुभव? तद्वति तत्प्रकारकः अनुभवः. नाउ फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड सम थिंग्स. घटः न्याय इज ऑल. जब हम पढ़ते थे व्हेन वी वर स्टडीइंग in 2004, at that time one Swamiji had come from Shivananda Ashram. You know, in Shivananda Ashram they don't do all this tarka varka vedant ज़्यादा नहीं, वहाँ हल्का फुल्का है. तो he was saying, he must have seen कि कैलाश में क्या चलता है. It is either घटा पटा. No, it is not like that. But anyway, he was saying ये घाटा पाटा की खाटा पाटा नहीं करते हम. We don't do घाटा पाटा इत्यादि. Okay. When we get घाटा प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम, is the यथार्थ अनुभव. In this there are three things. घाटा घाटत्व घट घाटत्व संसर्गः. घट घटत्व घट घटत्व संसर्ग. संसर्ग में संबंध, दे आर कनेक्टेड. व्हाट इज द संबंध बिटवीन घट एंड घटत्व? समवाय संबंध. घट इज कॉल्ड विशेष्य, घटत्व इज कॉल्ड प्रकार, घटत्व इज कॉल्ड प्रकार, एंड संबंध इज कॉल्ड संसर्ग. मीन्स समवाय संबंध इज संसर्ग इज अनदर नेम.
Samsarga is called as Sakara.
संबंध इज कॉल्ड संसर्ग. घटत्व इज कॉल्ड प्रकार. हाँ, सो विशेष्यता इज इन घट, प्रकारता इज इन घटत्व. एंड समवाय इज दी संसर्गता. समवाय है संसर्गता. सो हाउ दे विल डिफाइन घट ज्ञानम? घट निष्ठ विशेष्यता निरूपित घटत्व निष्ठ प्रकारता इज घट ज्ञान. घट निष्ठ, निष्ठ मीन्स इन. घट में क्या रहेगी? घट विल हैव विशेष्यता. घट निष्ठ विशेष्यता निरूपित घटत्व निष्ठ प्रकारता. निरूपित समवाय निष्ठ संसर्गता. घटनिष्ठ विशेष्यता निरूपित घटत्व निष्ठ प्रकारता. मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग, यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड घट विशेष्य, घटत्व प्रकार, समवाय इज संसर्ग. सो घटत्व निष्ठ विशेषता निरूपित घटनिष्ठ विशेषता निरूपित घटत्व विशिष्ट घटत्व निष्ठ प्रकारता निरूपित समवाय निष्ठ संसर्गता. दिस इज हाउ घट ज्ञानम इज टेकिंग प्लेस. मीन्स इन घट ज्ञानम आई एम नोइंग दैट इट इज घट which has ghatatva, and ghata and ghatatva have samvaya sambandha. All this knowledge takes place together. How do I say it is go or manushya, let us say. So manushyatva is there. Why can't I say this is manushya? Manushyatva is not there. So it is not manushyatva nirupita or manushyata nirupita. It is not. So manushyatva has to be there. Prakar is visheshana. So now the lakshana you see. Tadvati is saptami. Saptami vibhakti. Tadvati tat prakarakah anubhavah. Tat prakarakah so in a locus, saptami is for locus, adhikarana. In a locus, the way the thing is, घटत्ववती, घटत्व प्रकार को अनुभव, घटत्व वाले में घटत्व अनुभव इज यथार्थ. रजतत्ववती रजतत्व प्रकार का अनुभव यथार्थ. सर्पत्ववती सर्पत्व प्रकार का अनुभव यथार्थ. रज्जुत्ववती सर्पत्व प्रकार को अनुभव अयथार्थ. आ गया रज्जु सर्प. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।